How to fix iPhone apps download stuck in waiting on home screen. So if you've been trying to download something but it just gets stuck on home screen, right? So normally this usually happens whenever you're trying to download an app but then you leave them on in the background. So one way that you can fix it is first by simply long pressing on that app icon and then choosing to cancel that download by simply tapping on cancel download option. The other thing you can try to do is you can simply try to delete the app or maybe remove the app. So you can see the delete app option. You can tap the delete app option in order to delete the app and see if that helps you. And now after you've done that, you can go to your app store and you can try to reinstall that same application again. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, queries, or doubts, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.